Thank you. Many colleges in Florida have shut down their campuses. They switched to remote classes ahead of Hurricane Milton, leaving students to find a safe place to stay.
And facing expensive and in-demand plane tickets, traffic, and the impending hurricane. NewsChannel Line's Kendra Brodus learns more about how one Syracuse native made it back here from college.
Milton isn't like Helene, at least not in St. Augustine, Florida.
Nobody was evacuating. They were just taking, it was precautionary. It was all precautionary, where this was get out. You need to get out. And it was a lot more serious and just fearful.
Watching community members fill sandbags, flock to the gas pumps, and flee the city was like an alternate universe for Emma Cecil.
The gas, when I was leaving to go to Jacksonville, there was a person at every single pump. Buc-ee's was filled to the max. There was cars waiting for gas and gas and gas. So it definitely, people are responding in a very hectic manner.
The countywide evacuation notice demanding Cecil leave her apartment arrived Tuesday morning, and the warnings just kept coming.
I brought my car to the airport last night and found a way this morning because I wasn't sure there was going to be any spaces in the garages, because all the covered garages, they're all closed. There's no parking spaces available.
Flights out of Orlando and Sarasota coming to Syracuse were both canceled this morning. Cecil didn't think her flight out of Jacksonville would make it. When she finally arrived at the Syracuse airport, she was overcome by relief.
Completely relieved, and knowing that I was safe from the storm, and just really getting out of Florida was my biggest goal, because I knew once, if this flight didn't take off, then I would be probably stuck there.
It was a journey filled with stress and anxiety. Here in Syracuse, Cecil is no stranger to the crazy snow. But hurricanes?
People are fearing for their lives. They have to leave their homes. They have to leave everything behind, and I've just never really seen anything like that.
For now, she's grateful to be home. In Syracuse, Kendra Brodus, NewsChannel 9.
St. Augustine, the oldest city in the United States. Many roads built years ago, they don't drain well normally. Even more of a problem with the rains they're expecting there from Milton.